Hello and welcome to Intelligency Technology. It is 19th August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Healthcare industry this year. Marvell said it would develop AI inference accelerators, storage, networking and memory interface controllers and near-memory computing technologies for Google. Demand for custom chips such as Google's Tensor Processing Units, TPUs, used for AI workloads, has surged in recent years as businesses seek alternatives to NVIDIA's pricey graphics processors. Sign up here during the 1990 SA new strata of independent film studios and distributors revitalized the Hollywood movie machine. The likes of Miramax, New Line Cinema and October Films challenged the aging behemoths of the industry and pushed forward offbeat directors such as Quentin Tarantino, Darren Aronofsky and Jane Campion. The decade is widely considered an artistic high point for Western cinema after the bloated mainstream excesses of the 1980s. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may also see a higher starting price, with estimates ranging between ₹1,54,900 and ₹1,59,900. Vapor trails from aircraft contribute to warming in the atmosphere. AI isn't close to curing cancer. This startup says it knows what it will take. 2% of respondents identified talent availability as a significant barrier to competitiveness, ranking it jointly as the top challenge alongside customer adoption. Commedia Netflix, only to find her resume disappear into a black hole. PDF, a class action lawsuit. This launch comes as another tech giant, Meta, is facing a landmark trial in which 29 states have accused the company of continuing measures to hook teenagers onto its social media platforms despite knowing that social media addiction was a real issue. Kids these days don't know how good they have it. Human by day, vampire by night, Cohen has difficult choices to make. Beginning here in the 1300s, his adventure could span centuries. In upcoming sequels, The Blood of Don Walker could be the start of an epic saga. The developers envisage Don Walker as a trilogy. Apple's leaked camera-equipped AirPods might avoid the privacy pitfalls of other AI wearables by preventing users from recording photos and videos. Shares in Chinese robotics pioneer Unitree soared more than 600% on its debut in Shanghai on Wednesday, after raising more than $900 million in its initial public offering. 66 meters per second, faster than world record holder Usain Bolt if sustained over a 100 meters race. This is the latest large-scale DDoS attack to hit the social networking site this year. In China's hilly Guizhou province, a cluster of European-style buildings complete with clock tower and multi-arched bridge emits a low, permanent hum, a clue to its unexpected identity as tech giant Huawei's largest data center. Dozens of data centers have been constructed in the southwestern province in recent years. These price changes allow Peacock to continue to create the best experience for its viewers, remain competitive in the marketplace, and deliver unique content across all genres, the company wrote on a support page. Anthropic has been preparing to give CEO Dario Amodei and other co-founders a class of stock with extra voting power to help insulate them from external shareholder pressure, the information reported on Tuesday. The company is also planning to maintain its existing body of non-shareholder trustees with a special class of stock to elect a majority of members to the company's board of directors, according to the report. On Tuesday, Warp introduced Warp Factories, a new infrastructure system designed to make building AI software factories as easy as possible. The ability to return, recover and reuse a booster is crucial to reduce cost and make it easier to put satellites into orbit, turning space exploration into a commercially viable business similar to civil aviation. ChatGPT for Teens adds age-appropriate safety measures, parental controls, and learning tools designed to steer teens away from harmful content and from using AI to cheat on their homework. The European Commission on Tuesday welcomed changes made by Apple to its rules for app developers to address charges of breaking the bloc's competition rules and avert the risk of new fines. Perplexity's India revenue rose about 60% after the Airtel offer ended for new users, even as downloads declined. Although this marks China's first successful recovery on land, it is the second time the country has recovered a rocket stage, following a successful recovery on a sea platform in July. That is all for this bulletin from Intelligency Technology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.